It's the Wray Nephew Contender!
It's live show number 3 here on the Wray Nephew Contender, brought to you in association with Ting and Fly Jamaica Airways. Now, flying into our wonderful island this week is a good boxer, and he's hoping to represent and give his team an early lead in the competition. How he plan to do that? Well, I'm going to let him tell you. Here is Dave, Fast and Furious LeBlanc.
Je m'appelle Dave Leblanc, je viens de Québec, puis j'ai 84 combats amateurs, dont environ 60 victoires et 24 défaites. Au niveau professionnel, j'ai un combat, une victoire. Je suis très bien préparé, j'ai mis les gants du sparring avec des gars plus gros que moi, des gars de 180 livres, 190 livres, fait que je suis très bien préparé. J'ai un très bon feeling. Je commence avec un bon adversaire. Je sais que c'est une des grosses vedettes ici, mais je ne mets pas plus de pression que ça. Puis, je me suis bien entraîné puis je suis prêt.
Working on mental clarity gives you the edge, a cutting edge tool, which is being proactive versus being reactive. As you become proactive, you're able to better analyze your opponent and see where maybe there could be opportunities for you to score some points or the final blow.
J'ai regardé sur YouTube, j'ai trouvé 2-3 combats de lui. Fait qu'on a analysé, c'est un gars qui met de la pression, puis on sait comment réagir à ça.
Tetsu Davis, I don't think you've never seen anything like this. You're gonna find out why they call Dave LeBlanc the Fast and the Furious. Fast and Furious coming right at you, my friend.
Too fast, too furious. I'm too fast for y'all, man. Too fast, too furious.
Well, me not sure what Dave just said, but him could have go and say it. His coach thinks that he will be too fast and too furious for his adversary tonight. Our official commentator, Patrick Anderson, is waiting backstage with the Furious One. So let's head over. Patrick, it's all yours.
Thank you very much. And on your screen, you're looking at you were looking at Dave LeBlanc. But we're going to be speaking with his trainer, Patrice Trudeau. Patrice, welcome to Jamaica for you and Dave.
Thank you.
23 years of age, one professional fight. Why?
Well, it's because he's had a very extensive amateur background. Over the course of his experience, he's accumulated over 84 bouts in amateur boxing, and in that, is over 60 wins.
Absolutely, and so he would have had a lot of rounds under his belt, and it's deceptive with one professional fight. 84 amateur bouts would put him in good stead for this fight.
Absolutely, and that's probably one of the reasons we're having problems finding fights, because he's so good, people don't want to fight him.
Oh. Have you seen Tetsu Davis?
I've seen a couple videos.
Ready for him?
Absolutely.
You mentioned the speed of Dave. How important is that against Tetsu Davis, who's a technician and a man who can do some damage to the body?
Well, there's two things. One thing is you can't hit something that you can't hit, right? If he's moving around, you've got all that power, you can't hit nothing, well, it's going to be useless for you. Second thing is that there's two things that are very important to consider force. One is velocity, the other one is mass. He's got mass, we've got velocity. It's an equal matchup.
Finally, you talk about velocity and mass. What about mass? He's a natural light welterweight at 135 pounds. He's stepping up tonight. Will that affect him?
Well, definitely, it's a change, right? But we still got the speed. But we moved up in weight because we wanted an opportunity to show this talent. And that's what has been the issue for the last year. But finally, we're here in Jamaica. We're here to rock.
Patrice, thank you very much. Dave, merci. It's back to you, Crystal.
Dave is aware that he's going to have his hands full, but I'm ready. I'm ready for do what I need for do to make sure that his hands are raised at the end of tonight. It's time for our next break, but when the lights come back on, it will be lights out. A little confused? Don't be. The Wray Nephew Contender will explain everything soon.